All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. Completely sealed. Maybe they're not stuck together like the 91 Pro Set Platinum. See a little bit of holes through there just over time, I guess. But like I say, hopefully these are in better condition. They're not stuck together and just destroy the paint of each other. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, that opens up a lot easier than the Pro Set did. The Platinum did. I was like, what the heck? Something won't fit. There we go. Alright. NFL Football 91. Upper Deck Premier Edition. Find the Montana. Limited edition, high quality cards. 12 football cards per pack. Counterfeit proof cards. Random sequencing. Tamper proof pack. Collector's choice. Yeah. So we opened a couple of these. They were inside the Fairfield football boxes that I just opened. As you can see, we had, I think, 2 packs of these that we got stuff out of. So let's see what we got in here. Looking for some Joe Montana. Looking for some Warren Moon. Looking for some. Man, I just love these packs. They're so, it's like really thick, but quality material. These are not stuck together like the Pro Set Platinum was, so that's a good sign already. And I think we already have something right here. Look at that. Oh no, I don't know what that is, but Ricky Prohl. Yo. Game Breakers. That is crazy looking. It's a little, has a little bit of stuff on it, but like a couple of streaks, but dadgum, that is a crazy looking card. Emmitt Smith Game Breakers. Look at that 3. That is so cool. That is really freaking cool. Maybe I need to start opening up from the other end. I don't know. Johnny Johnson. Yeah. Chip Lohmiller. We got Everson Walls. We got Ron Heller. Herschel Walker on the Vikings. Is that, yep, Anthony Munoz. We got Kevin Mack. Man, these are just all over the place too. Michael Irvin. It's kind of cool. Albert Bentley. And Owen Harper. Bobby Hebert. But yo, dude, right off the bat, that is a really, really, really beautiful Emmitt Smith. The only problem is you can see right there on the left a little bit, right there. A little bit of like a dent, like a ding inside of it. But it's still cool. Still a very beautiful card. It's very thin too, so first pack was not bad. Not bad. A couple legends. Alright, we got Lewis Lips. Is there one of these in every pack? If so, then I'm gonna have to try and hold that off to the end. Greg Lewis, Mike Ken, Jay Novacek, Bill Brooks. We got Carl Zander, Eric McMillan, John Roper, Eddie Murray. We got Alvin Walton. Hey, we got a Lawrence Taylor. That's a really cool picture. Him sitting on the football on the helmet. Loose lips, and then hey, Game Breaker Thurman Thomas. If there's one of these in every pack, then that's pretty cool. But if not, then that's really cool. The fact that we've gotten 2 Game Breakers already. Dang, just look at that. Those are some crazy looking cards. Those are beautiful. Let's say there's one in every pack, then that's just awesome. Get some really cool ones. I want to get a Warren Moon of that. And Joe Montana, obviously. Dan Marino. Some big name guys. Let's see. Is there... Nope, there isn't one in every pack. So we were just really lucky on those first 2 packs. Dang. Careful with the camera. There's a Marino and a Moon, both team MVPs. We just pulled a Warren Moon MVP, team MVP out of the Fairfield box. It's right over there. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and get back into it. Like I said, those first 2 packs, we got those 2 3D parallel game breakers, and I was like, man, there's one of those in every pack. But there actually isn't, so. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty, on to the next pack. I love this like material that the packs are. The actual pack paper is. They're really nice. Alrighty, we got a Mark Jackson, the old Broncos uniform. Love those. We got a Roger Craig. Ooh, Joe Montana. Very interesting card. The 3. Team MVP, John Stevens, and Barry Sanders, team MVP. Alrighty. Slowly but surely making a dent in this box. Oh, I see a Warren Moon on the end right there. Passing leaders, probably. John Gesek, star rookie. Brett Favre, rookie. Yo, Brett Favre, rookie with the Falcons. We have a team MVP Thurman Thomas and a season leaders Warren Moon. So already got a couple Warren Moon cards here today. That's nice. Put those in a little bit better. All right, let's keep going. I want to get some more of those game breakers. Those are cool. So I don't know if there is one, but imagine there's a game breakers of Warren Moon. I would love that. Neil Anderson, team MVP, and a Football Heroes Joe Montana. I don't know what this is. There's 9 cards in this little set. There's 9 of these Football Heroes, and there are actually 25 of them signed by Montana. So maybe we'll find a autographed Montana. Alrighty, let's keep her going. That one opened up a little bit whack. Bo Jackson, let's go. I read Alabama right there on the back, but Bo Jackson, let's go. PC. Carl Mecklenburg, we got Bruce Pickens. I think we already had Bruce Pickens. Dennis Bird. Ooh, game breaker. Bobby Humphrey. Yo, another game breaker. Let's go. Then on the end, Clyde Simmons. Yo, another game actor. Bobby Humphrey. Those are just so cool. They're super thin, so you gotta be really careful with them. But they're just so cool. All right, next pack. So we've gotten 3 game breakers so far in these packs. In a back-to-back game breakers, Bobby Humphrey, and then on the end, Tim McDonald. And we got back-to-back game breakers and back-to-back Bobby Humphrey game breakers. So, like I said, they're very thin. They also don't really want to slide too well. So, anyway, we got 2 of those now. Go ahead and start another stack right there. All right, next pack. We're actually doing pretty good on time. Oh, I see something on the end right there. We have team MVP Boomer Eason. Okay, Boomer. And Jerry Rice season leaders. That's nice. We still got several packs of this, so I'm pretty optimistic about getting some more of those. And also, I just noticed that's the card out there that we got. We got one of those. So I don't know how actually good that is. If that actually was a really, really good pull. Let's see here, though. We got and a Bobby Humphrey. Dude, man, Bobby Humphrey's just been all over the place today. He's just been super involved. Man, we still got so many cards left, though. So many packs, so many cards. Let's keep her going. We got a John Elway Collector's Choice. That one's really nice. There. Next pack. So I may start opening it up like this so I can see the end. It's a little bit harder though. But probably do a little more. Hartley Dykes. We got a, ooh, that's a really, really cool card. I love that. Very retro-esque. Cleveland Browns, Eric Metcalf. Interesting. We got right, next pack. Hey, Warren Moon season leaders. Let's go. More Warren Moon, baby. Oh, I bet this art's gonna be freaking fire. Oh yeah. Let's go. Look at that. Dude, these Collector's Choice by Vernon Wells cards are beautiful. I love every single one of these designs. We still got several packs. Like, I'm excited. This is super fun. These are some really cool cards, some really cool art, and there's still a ton left. Season leaders, Jerry Rice. Everett. Okay. Oh, dude, I love these. I love these cards. These are so cool. It's like. All right, next pack on the way. I haven't gotten the game breakers in a while. Not since we had the back-to-back Humphreys. Barry Sanders, season leaders. Dwayne Wells, Washington Redskins, Washington Redacted. Ooh, that one's really, really cool. Dude, I love these. These are so... Like I said, we still got so many cards left. So many cards. But I ain't complaining. Because this is just... Ooh, Collector's Choice by Vernon Wells. Martin Anderson. Beautiful. Pretty sure you had our oats or 2 or 3. Like I said, we still got several packs. Looking for some more game breakers, some more Vernon Wells. Smith. Alrighty. Keep her going. Vernon Wells, Vinny Testaverde. Oh, heck yeah. Those are so cool. Those are so cool. Man, we get some stacks out here today. Let me make a little bit of room here. I said, this is a ton of cards, man. Ooh, cool. Sean Collins. Bo Jackson base card. So, alright. I think we still have several packs. Like, I know I said that every time we start a new pack, but there's actually so many packs in this box. Nebraska. Oh, we got another Vernon Wells. Ooh, that one's cool. I love these. These are so cool. Johnny Johnson. Of redacted at the end. There. Ooh. Al Toon by Vernon Wells. That one's cool. Remember when he was a coach? Good times. That was about when I was first getting into the NFL. Like I said, around 2015 or something. That's kind of first really paying attention. One, I thought we already had one. Ooh, hoo, hoo. We've got the Vernon Wells, Barry Sanders. That one's nice. My goodness, at the packs we still have left. There's so many packs left still. Oh my gosh, there's so many packs in this box. I'm gonna move this box right over here. Look at all the packs left. There's so many packs. Dang, son. And I still haven't got another Game Breakers. It's been a while. I want a Game Breakers Warren Moon. Put my rookies up there. Okay. This night, baby, baby, sleepless nights, baby. I can't believe it's taking us that long to get a Deion Sanders. Alrighty. We got I don't know. Let's see. We're still looking for some more Game Breakers. I need a Game Breaker Bo Jackson or a Game Breaker Warren Moon. I need it. Jerry Holmes. Jimmy Johns. Freaking Jimmy's Johns. Alright. MVP and Eric Metcalf MVP. Alright, we're slowly but surely getting down to it because I did not realize we're at 30-minute mark on the video. Like I say, I'll probably end up cutting it down pretty good, but man, you should see. I'll have to show you guys the pile of packs in the floor right next to me. Okay, Boomer. Let's say I really want to get a couple more of these, 1 or 2 or 3. Would really like a Warren Moon. Would really like a Bo Jackson. That'd be so cool if we did get that. Natil. We got a rookie, McGuire. I think we already had one. I think it was a different position though. We got a Kevin. And then we have another Vernon Wells, Neil Anderson. That's cool. Ooh, Rod Woodson. Oh, careful. Rod Woodson. Not the Pro Bowl, or yeah. Is it the Pro Bowl? Looks like a Pro Bowl. Let's start up one more stack back here. Oh, careful. Stanley Richard, I think we already had one. We got a Warren Moon. Let's go. As soon as I was thinking that. Vernon Wells, Warren Moon. Let's go. Love it. That is so cool with the moon in the back. I love it. That is. Alrighty. So I got my Warren Moon of Vernon Wells. And I got my Bo Jackson, I think, too. So all I need is some game changers of those. Machkowski, by Vernon Wells. Okay. The freaking Jimmy's Johns. Alright, next pack. I think that's pretty cool. Pretty fun. I think there are some pretty cool pullers. We got a John Williams, Vernon Wells, right? I love the colors. I also love John Williams music. Big fan. On the end. Alrighty, we're closing in. I just want to get another game breakers before we one. Ooh, Rod Woodson, Vernon Wells. That's awesome. PC. Man, the neck roll on that man. Alright, we are down to the last two packs. Two packs. Game breaker. Oh, let's see something out there. We'll have to see in a second. We got a Herschel Walker. Wells as well. Green and a 89 NFL MVP, Joe Montana. Nice. Alrighty, last pack, everybody. I would love some last pack luck. Tread. That was a lot of cards, a lot more than I anticipated. But here's was our our hits, our game breakers. We pulled back to back to start the game, or start the opening with Emmitt Smith and Thurman Thomas, and then we also have two Bobby Humphreys. What some beautiful cards, man. Absolutely fantastic. And then I have this huge stack of just like stuff that's going to go into like the PC and the cool like inserts and stuff with the MVP and season leaders. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me show you this right quick. Look at that. Look at all the packs right there, man. That is subscribe. I usually don't like to tell that stuff, but anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.